everybody, it's Carol. I just got back from running my errands and I got a package in the mail and I'm going to open it in this video. Look how pretty this is. Look at this package from Pretty Little Things. Ooh, we've got hair. Okay. Look how pretty this is. Great envelope. And I'm glad I went down to get it because it's too pretty to leave. Somebody could steal it. Because it's probably some pretty little things in here. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh, pretty. Okay, I got 3 things in here. Let's see if I have a scissor. Yes, I do. All right, this is a baby. Oh my goodness, this is a little baby purse. But you know what this is for? You know how you wear these tiny little purses? Nothing's in there. Oh, that's how I wear them. You know, I wouldn't wear it just like, oh, this is my purse. But little bags are in, and you could just wear it as crossbody. And I do have straps so I could wear it. You know, sometimes you just need that pop of color in your bag. Isn't that cute? It's very cute. It is pink and red faux fur grab bag, one size. Okay. Then we have two more things. Ooh. You see, I'm into blue. I'm into blue lately. Okay. Now we got big bags. Look at this. With the right pair of jeans. Now it's gotta match because all my jeans are different shades of blue. Okay, so I have on these today. And sometimes I have on dark ones, and they're just always a different shade. But look at this bag. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful. And it's got pull strings. Let's see. Oh. It's so cute. It's so cute. There's nothing inside. And oh, you could pull it out. I probably would pull it, and you can pull the both of them, so they're not connected to each other. So they pull like a trash bag. Oh, and speaking of trash bag, this is the perfect video to tell you. Kim Kardashian was seen wearing a bag from Balenciaga, and then everyone went wild. And I'm pretty sure I'm a year or two late on this, but it's the type of bag that, you know, you pull the strings, and it resembles a trash bag. So let me just show you the trash bag I'm talking about. So in these pictures here, you'll see that they are made for men and women, and the prices are in the $1,800 range, and they're made of calf skin leather, and it comes with a detachable shoulder strap, and I think they're just so funny. But I'm obsessed with them. Okay, so Balenciaga has the white with the red ribbon and then black with the other ribbons, and you pull them and they're actually selling as handbags. It's really wild. These bags are like $1,800, and they come in all different colors: yellow, blue, white. The white with the red ribbon on it cracks me up the most. And Kim Kardashian was filmed wearing it. And then I saw this girl on YouTube. She was holding a real trash bag, and she was interviewing people on the street saying, would you wear a bag like this?
My name is Hattie, and today I'm out on the street in New York City carrying my own version of the, thank you, I made it myself, carrying my own version of the $1,790 Balenciaga leather trash bag carried by Kim Kardashian in their most recent runway show. Mine was not as expensive. I got 8 trash bags for $1.50 at my corner store and taped some of my stuff in here. I normally carry...
I'll put that video below. That was pretty funny. Oh, so then I obsessively looked online and I saw the Chanel has the Chanel 22 and Fendi has the pull strings, and so they're all making something like that. They're making with the pull strings. So I told my BFF Kathy, and this is the picture she sent me. We make each other laugh all the time. Okay, we've been friends since we're, I don't know, 13? Our high school was from 7th grade on, and that's when we became friends, from 7th grade on. And, yeah, we went through everything together. Weddings, marriages, divorces, babies. Oh, and also, she went to Woodstock with me, and I'm going to do a video. And in the next couple of videos, I'm going to put a video up about Woodstock. She went with me, and our friend Ann. It was Kathy, Ann, and me. And I got pictures to show you of Woodstock. It's coming. It's coming. So anyway, isn't this pretty? I think this is really pretty. With the right outfit, you just put the right jeans on and a white top. Oh, and maybe a blue bracelet. It's so beautiful. So, and this is called Bright Blue Quilted Slouchy Clutch Bag, one size. Okay, now, the other bag. This one I'm excited about. Ooh! You're not going to believe how much I paid for these. I mean, I don't even think I paid. I'm not even going to tell you, okay? They were not expensive. I'm going to put the links down below. I hope they still have them because everything goes out of stock so fast. But this is so cute. This is called Blue Soft Bobbly Slouchy Clutch Bag, one size. 100% polyester, excluding trim. Oh, this is 100% polyester also. Here we go. Ooh! Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. Look at this. It's a bobbly bag. Now, doesn't that make you happy? See, this makes me happy. Okay, let's look at it in detail here. It's like those dusters that you dust your house with. And they also make slippers like that. You could walk around your house and clean your floors. And this has 2 snaps there. Oh, a snap there, snap here. And then it has a zipper, which is excellent. And it's just a plain black hole. Also, it has this, which I don't know what this is for, but maybe it could be carried. What if I tied it like this? Just make a little knot, and then you could maybe carry it. Maybe carry it like that if you have to. You know, this is more of a soldier blue or turquoise blue. Isn't that cute? Oh, you have to go to the website. I'm going to put the prices down below because at this moment I don't remember how much I paid. Kind of little nubbies. So adorable. So these are my new bags. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and